Good morning. I was talking to one of the other YouTubers the other day, and he reminded me of the phrase, give a man a fish, you'll feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish, and you will feed him for a lifetime. We're doing a project over here. We're building for the poor. We'll do a separate video and photos on that. We're building 4 houses for indigents over there, 2 over there and 2 over there. But this video is not about that. This video is about gardening, and while we were doing the house, I'm looking at the ladies here. So in the case, give the lady the seeds. So I'm going to, I was talking to them and they were asking me for seeds, and as part of growNglow and my sister's school in Jordan, we are doing projects on teaching people to grow vegetables. There's tomatoes, or tomatoes as you call them. And she was asking me for pak choy, that's pak choy, and cucumber they don't have. But look at this big lemon she has going, better than I have in my house. Of course she has orchids growing as well, and she has many other things. So I'm going to give them some seeds.
And then...
What? Why are you telling me then? I showed them how to make them when we were doing our project. This one goes in here.
Like an envelope?
This one goes in, yeah, and like a little envelope as well you can make, yeah. You can put this one in here like this. Look, it's a little cup. That's how you make it. It is right. You put the seeds in there, and then you tuck this one back in there as well. Okay?
Okay.
So
He's
he's recording there. So you make up a few envelopes. Make them up. We'll make them up first. Make 2. Like this or like that. You didn't finish this one. Like this. Like this and like this. And tuck this one in here. Yeah, tuck this one in there. This. Yeah, grow very quick. You want some? Okay. Come on, write them down. You've only written down 1 there.
Feelings of cucumber,
Tomato. No, you can keep this packet. You can keep the whole packet. Okay.
Radish. How about radish now?
White radish.
White radish.
Pichoy. Have you done that, yeah?
Pitsay.
You give some to, ma'am, can you give some to the ladies here, yeah?
Okay.
I'll give you extra for them because they're not, I come early in the morning, but the little girl, the girl there is got, she's going to go to college in so good, she got scholarship. The girl here, she got scholarship.
Tomato.
Yeah. Tomato. Okay, tomato? Tomato.
Tomato.
Americans call it tomato, but I'm not American.
Tomato.
You know I'm Irish, eh? So.
Irish. Where are you from?
Pasay, Masin.
No, in other country.
Ireland. Now, you will get many plants from that.
What is this? Tomato? Tomato?
Tomato. These are big tomato, not like the ones in the market. These are, you wait till they're red. Don't take them off the plant till they're red.
Okay.
Don't give them too much water. They don't need a lot of water. They like to dry out.
I have tomato there, but
I see
small.
you have some here as well.
Oh.
And then,
Small
next,
radish.
next, radish.
White radish.
White radish. I didn't grow any of these this year. They take up a lot of space, but these grow very quickly, in like 2 days. So you put them into pot and then move them out there if you want to. They grow really quick. You can eat them after 4 weeks. Serious. Last year I grew a lot of these. But you need to thin them out, like this distance apart. So if there's 2 together, you pull one. You can transplant it or just throw it away. But you really need to leave about 5 or 6 inches between them. So grow them in the pots, the big pots, or in a bucket or whatever you have. Okay?
Okay.
Now, what are you ready for now?
Pichay.
Yeah. Now pichay are the same. They grow really, really quickly. In 2 or 3 days they come up. But you can grow them in pots like this and put individual seed, and so you don't have to tin them out. But you need to leave space that much. Yeah. I saw them growing somewhere.
There.
Yes.
That's
But they're
one
not
I
very
will-
healthy looking. The ones there are not so good. Now, what pitchoy here is it? My daughter, she's only 4 and she grows this pitchoy. Yeah.
She knows how to plant.
You have some lovely. Put one at a time. There's plenty there. Will you give some to Madame here?
There, okay.
I'm giving you lots of them. Open again. More in my hand. I saw these every year because they're so quick, and my daughter loves them because next day after I saw them, she asked, "Are they growing already?" Now, what are you missing?
Dali na din mo tubo.
Eggplant. I don't think there's any inside here.
Eggplant.
Some in.
Cucumber.
Have you got everything now except eggplant? Yeah.
Eggplant.
Eggplant, or we call it in Europe aubergine.
Aubergine.
Yeah, because that's the color of them. Aubergine is a dark purple. We don't call them eggplant. So now you know how to make. We made them when we were children for cup for drinking water from paper. Is this your son?
No.
Adopt it. Now you have lots of seeds here, so give some to your neighbor.
Okay.
Right? And if you grow them, you can come back and I'll give you some more next year, later in the year. Or in the capital where we're having the stall in the capital, we'll be giving out plants and giving out. But I will get you one. You need one ceiling labuyo, proper one. And we'll bring it down to you. I have a baby one. You need to put a little bit of netting around it. The birds eat them. Now, there you go. They're for you as well. So you have 6 different
Cucumber.
seeds.
Cucumber. Big cucumber.
Oh, you can get the big cucumbers. I'm growing these at home at the moment. They will grow this high, you know. So you need to put in the bamboo, and you need a big pot like pail, or put them in the ground out here.
Okay.
Is that your ground?
Pero maghimo lagi murag balayan. Like that one.
Yeah, they grow up very high. You bamboo, and they grow very quickly. Like in 4 days, you will have plants. You put one seed at a time. Okay. Now, Madame down here wants cucumber, she said, yeah? So give her some. I'm giving you half a packet. You won't grow all them, but grow them into small plants and give them to your neighbor or sell them.
Okay.
You can sell them when they're small. You can sell them for 20 pesos when they're this high, you know?
One?
Yeah.
One for 20 pesos.
Yeah,
Like dali aram na yung gagmay.
because you have too many of.
Dali na mo to.
You already have too many seeds here, and maybe next year. Well, these seeds are good for another year, but they will still grow after that.
Okay. Thank you for this.
I look forward to coming back and seeing all. Well, you already have a bigger lemon than I have. This one, my God, is the size of a melon, huh? And
You have that.
I have lemon tree, but they're only this size, not like big like yours. And we transplanted it, and it's not doing very well. And these ones over here, purple chilies, you have. I have those also. They're crossbreed, and these ones we call these sinigang. They're like Anaheim, or yeah, they're not for making the dish sinigang dish, sinigang dish. Anyway, we're going to leave you.
Yeah, thank you.
And thank you
so
for
much.
watching, and
Yeah.
please subscribe up here. Tell them please
What?
subscribe.
What else?
Please subscribe.
Please subscribe.